Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest and most interesting tech accessories so you know exactly what you're buying. Today, we're taking a close look at a surprisingly clever little gadget. The Seivble 240W braided fast charge cable with a built-in foldable phone stand. Yes, a charging cable that doubles as a phone stand. It sounds simple, but the design here is actually a lot more thoughtful than it seems at first glance. Let's start with what this cable is all about. At its core, this is a USB-C to USB-C fast charging cable rated at a massive 240 watts. That means it's built for more than just charging your phone. We're talking laptops, tablets, power-hungry devices, and anything that supports USB-C power delivery. Along with that, it handles data transfer at 480 megabits per second, which is plenty for everyday syncing, file transfers, and backups. But the real standout feature is the built-in foldable phone stand, integrated directly into the charging head. It flips open and instantly becomes a stable mini stand for your phone, letting you watch videos, video chat, or keep your screen visible on your desk without having to hold it or prop it up awkwardly. The clever thing here is that the stand doesn't feel like an afterthought. It folds flush, stays out of the way, and doesn't add bulk to the connector. When you don't need it, you'll forget it's even there. The cable uses a right-angle 90-degree T-shaped connector, which is perfect for gaming, scrolling, or watching content while charging. Anyone who's tried to use a phone with a straight charger sticking out the bottom knows how annoying that can be. The angled head keeps the cord off your hands, reduces stress on the port, and helps prevent bending or cable damage over time. Speaking of durability, this thing is built with a braided exterior and reinforced connectors. The weave feels premium, thick enough to inspire confidence but still flexible enough for everyday movement. It's designed to resist fraying, tangling, and the usual wear you get from wrapping cables around chargers or tossing them in bags. This is one of those cords that seems made to survive long-term daily use, not something that will give up after a month. Compatibility is as universal as USB-C gets. MacBooks, iPads, Android phones, Samsung Galaxy devices, tablets, portable gaming consoles, if it has USB-C, this cable will charge it. There are also built-in protections to prevent overheating, overcharging, and power fluctuations. When you're pushing up to 240W, safety features matter, and it's good to see them included. But let's talk about the experience of actually using this. Imagine you're watching a movie on your phone while it's charging. Normally, the cable sticks out the bottom, the phone doesn't sit right, or you end up bending the cord in awkward ways. With the Seivble cable, you plug it in, flip open the stand, and your phone just sits there hands-free. Or maybe you're on a video call and your battery is running low. Instead of balancing your phone against a cup or stack of books, the built-in stand handles it. It's a small convenience, but the kind you notice every single day. What impresses me most is that the cable doesn't sacrifice its primary job for the sake of the gimmick. It's still a high-power, reliable USB-C cable. The stand is the bonus. And for people who charge while using their phones, the 90-degree design alone is a huge upgrade over standard cables. Is it perfect? No cable ever is, but for what it aims to do, it nails the execution. If you want a cable that's strong, fast, and actually useful beyond just charging, this one stands out. The combination of durability, high wattage, and a smart functional design makes it more versatile than most cables in its price range. So who is this cable for? Honestly, pretty much anyone with a USB-C device. But if you watch videos while charging, play mobile games, work from your phone, or just want less clutter on your desk, you're going to appreciate the built-in stand far more than you expect. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you try it. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoy deep dives into tech and accessories that actually improve your daily routine, make sure you subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.